Last month, I cut $4,200 from my ad spend without touching my budget. Right now, in July 2026, the inefficiency tax most remote marketers are still paying is officially optional. I built an AI marketing stack that cut my ad spend by 40% while increasing my conversion rate, and I'm going to show you exactly how to copy it for your remote business. The 2025 approach to digital marketing was about using dozens of disconnected tools. But as of May 2026, we've hit a major industry reset. We are moving away from simple dashboards and into what experts call the agentic enterprise. Because according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average remote worker grinds through a 7.6-hour workday. However, McKinsey research shows that generative AI can now automate work activities that absorb 60 to 70% of that time. In July 2026, marketing isn't about doing more work. It's about orchestrating the agents that do it for you. The secret to cutting spend is context. In 2026, graph databases like Neo4j have been named one to watch because they let AI understand the relationships between your customers in a way a spreadsheet never could. I consolidated every client interaction, emails, ad clicks, support tickets, into one graph database. And that single file is now the brand DNA every agent in my stack reads from. Step 1. Consolidate your client data into a graph database. Step 2. Connect it to your AI agents via API. Step 3. Audit your current tool performance against that single source of truth. By giving your AI the full DNA of your business, you stop wasting money on leads that will never convert. To cut spend, you need to know exactly where your competitors are weak. McKinsey notes that knowledge workers spend 1/5 of their work week, literally one day each week, just searching for information. I've killed that search tax using Perplexity AI. I use a make scenario that triggers every Monday at 8 a.m. It asks Perplexity to research the top 3 competitor ad hooks from the last 7 days and summarizes their pain points into a Notion doc. This ensures your creative is always reacting to the market in real time, not yesterday's news. The biggest waste of ad spend is generic AI slop copy. As of July 2026, I use Claude Sonnet 5, Anthropic's current generation model, for its massive context window to handle my drafting. Instead of writing a prompt from scratch, I upload that same brand DNA graph file from my data stack, plus 6 months of winning ad data. Data from the NBAR confirms that using these AI assistants can boost productivity for novice marketers by 34%. Step 1. Upload context. Step 2. Ask the model to draft 5 variations. Step 3. Use a critic agent to find logic gaps before you publish. This creates a co-intelligence loop where the AI acts as your senior strategist. We have to talk about the bodies buried in marketing AI. In June 2026, regulators warned that blindly trusting AI for targeting can lead to serious compliance issues, especially in fair housing and finance. To protect your brand, you must maintain a human in the loop. I use a security triage node in my stack that flags any AI-generated copy that sounds discriminatory or overpromises results. As of July 2026, 50% of bachelor's degree holders are working from home, and the ones who thrive are the architects who verify the foundation, not just the ones who click generate. We are currently living through a $3 trillion productivity shift. By automating 60% of your marketing tasks, the same tasks your security triage node just finished policing, you aren't just saving money, you are reclaiming your day for deep work. That reclaimed time is the whole point. Psychologist Dashe Keltner's research on awe reminds us that our best creative work comes from moments that transcend routine, mechanical thinking. And awe is what makes your ad creative connect with an audience, not the AI-generated grind work behind it. Use your agents to handle the shallow data entry so you can focus on the awe-inspiring creative strategy that actually moves human emotions. By 2027, the remote workers who haven't moved to an agentic stack will be too slow to survive the market reset. You just learned the July 2026 blueprint for a 40% more efficient marketing machine. Moving from manual tasks to agentic systems is how we win in the remote economy. Next week, I'm breaking down the Claude prompt stack that drafts my client service contracts and privacy policies in under 4 minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss that workflow drop, and I'll see you in the next one.